By now, you must know that your website cannot succeed without traffic. No traffic means no money, no sales, no clicks, no leads, and no success. So what's the best way to build traffic on your website? Well, search engines are one option. But what you may not know is that out of all the web pages visited by an average user in a day, search engine pages amount to only 4 to 10% of them. That means if you rank high on search engines, you only have a 4% chance in a day to grab that user who's looking for you. Open your web browser's history and check how many times you searched on Google today to get an idea of what I'm talking about. So if search engine pages are only getting 4 to 10% page views in a day from a user, where do the rest of the page views go? Well, all these page views are distributed among other websites that talk about the same topic. What if there was a way to tap the traffic from the rest of the 96% of web pages that are out there? Imagine the amount of traffic you could have when you're ranked well on those 4 to 10% of pages on search engines, and well placed on the rest 96% of the pages your potential buyer is visiting in his entire day. By the end of this video, you'll know how easy it is to drive traffic from search engines and the secrets of bribing those 96% web page owners to send unlimited traffic towards you. But before we get into all that, it's important to know the keywords and related pages where you really want to be. You don't want to spend time and money on keywords that have traffic but are not profitable to you. Some keywords are always more profitable than others, but that's just one part of the equation. The other missing part is content. Just like keywords, some pages are obviously more profitable than others. You need to know the right keywords and the right content that generates profits. So what's the way to find profitable keywords and content? Let's do away with some myths first. Data like search volume or competition figures have nothing to do with profitability. It simply tells you how many people are searching and how many competitors are competing. So, can profitability be adjudged from Google's cost per click or Microsoft's OCI? It's a good hint, but profitability is more subjective in nature than any algorithm trying to objectively judge profitability. So, can you find profitable keywords by spying on the advertisers bidding on a keyword? Well, quite close. That may tell you something about the keyword, but what about profitable content? You need to know the right content to which the audience responds the best. It's just like saying the right words at the right time. Here's an effective way to find profitable keywords. Before starting your test for profitability, you need a huge list of every possible keyword that your target buyers can type in a search engine. Let's start by building a huge keyword list. Just type in a keyword in Keyword Country and it gets you a list of the top 100 keywords matching your query. The best rule of thumb is to start with at least 1,000 or 1,500 keywords. Keyword Country not only gets keywords from its gigantic database, but Google, Yahoo, and Ask as well, along with the websites that are ranking on top with the keywords you're focusing on. Keyword Country also finds you all the other keywords that your audience is searching for. Keywords that search engines are looking for in your content to rank you high. How your audience is misspelling your search keywords. Keywords that potential buyers are using, and even the keywords that your competitor websites are using. Add the keywords you think are relevant to your theme to make sure you have all the keywords in your list that can be profitable to you. Add Google searches from customized columns to see the most popular keywords of your list. This is the amount of traffic you can expect if you capture all the page views that a user visits in a day. The organic traffic column shows you the amount of traffic you can expect if you rank at the top of 4% search engine pages of the user. The paid traffic column is the estimated traffic your website will get if you start advertising. Don't worry about the competition too much. The more competition there is, the better it is. The keywords on which you're not able to rank high, we're going to bribe the top rankers to promote your website, driving you loads of traffic. While you were busy building a huge list of your keywords, Keyword Country was busy building your website's content structure for you. This is the proposed website structure sorted according to the traffic potential each content category has. Since you don't have unlimited time to get ranked for all these content categories, nor have unlimited resources to bribe these top-ranking webmasters, it's important to find the right keywords and right content that you need to concentrate on to bring maximum revenues in minimum effort. One of the best ways to predict profitability is to analyze online advertisers and watch the keywords and content they're betting on. Advertisers quickly evolve their strategies to be profitable, since pay-per-click advertising is quick to set up and change, scraping the content and keywords that don't work for them. Just send the entire content structure to PPC Analysis, and Keyword Country quickly finds out the advertisers that are bidding on your keywords, the ads they're using, and the landing page content that they've evolved after spending thousands of dollars in PPC advertising. Pay attention to advertisers that have created the most ads. These are the ones who are putting in huge efforts in optimizing their campaigns and landing pages. The keywords that are getting special treatment with a dedicated line of ads usually are the ones that are profitable for them. And the landing pages is the content that is complementing these keywords and making them profitable. Scroll through all the successful competitors to know their strategy and get inspired to design your own to steal their profits. Keyword Country even monitors your PPC competitors every day and alerts you whenever they change their ads. Discover a new profitable keyword or content strategy. This way, you can keep a tab on their marketing efforts and design a counterattack whenever you need to. Now that you know successful content strategies and keywords, let's evaluate what it takes to rank high on these keywords. Copy the same suggested website structure to SEO Analysis, and Keyword Country quickly dives in and comes up with competitors who are ranking high for your keywords. The ones with maximum ranking on keywords are the ones who have strong presence in your industry, and these are the landing pages that are driving them this much amount of traffic. This gives you a clear idea of what kind of content strategy you need to adopt to get this kind of presence in the industry and grab traffic like this. You can do a deep analysis of these high-ranking web pages and find out the keywords that are being used, which tags were used, in which part of the web page they appear, and the effect it has on their traffic trends. You can even compare the keywords with other competitors or your own pages to see how your own content competes against high rankers. Now you know what keywords are profitable, what kind of content gets ranked on those keywords, what keywords you need to use, and in which tag. All done in minutes, which would have otherwise taken days to do. All you need to do is get inspired and design your content strategy around your profitable keywords. You need to create web pages for each of your profitable keywords that outranks your high competitors. Each content page that says the right words to the right audience. Sounds like a lot of work? Here's how to do that in minutes. Keyword Country even helps you write content and build high-ranking pages with a simple drag-and-drop mouse gesture. Just send them to Content Builder and Keyword Country rips the content of high-ranking pages, high-profit pages, articles, blogs, discussion forums, and whatever web page you mention. It separates all the headlines, titles, bullets, content, images of your high-ranking competitors, and helps you mix, match, and edit the content and make your own high-ranking page quickly. It even keeps track of the keywords that you've used till now and the keywords you need to use to make the page competent enough against your high-ranking competitors. But what if you're still not able to get high rankings on those 4% search engine pages? Well, you can contact the rest 96% of web page owners and ask them to promote you. Casey helps you find partners that can promote your website. It helps you find profitable AdWord placements where you can buy ads, or blog websites that are read by thousands and invite guest bloggers, or find link partners, or even find webmasters who own huge newsletters with thousands of subscribers. All you need to do is contact them via email or their social networking IDs, which Keyword Country finds, and offer them something that can be of value to their users. That may be a sweet piece of software, an ebook, free goodies, or just a nicely done article that you quickly build with Keyword Country within minutes with your link cleverly placed on it. The more value you have for their users, more likely it is that they will promote you in a big way, and you can expect more traffic driven to your website. Keyword Country. It's not just a keyword tool, it's a tool for your online success.